Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add multiple photos to your Instagram stories. Let's get started. First of all, open up Instagram application in your mobile device and then log into your account. Once logged in, all you have to do is simply swipe to your left and then the camera is gonna open up. So you can add multiple pictures in your story by tapping on layout option right over here. And just like that, simply tap on this little icon to open up your gallery. Now you can select as much as photo you want, and once you're done, tap on this little icon, and just like that you'll have this multiple picture in your story to post. When you're ready, tap on your story and it will get posted. Now another way is you can add multiple photos using sticker tools as well. For that, simply tap on this little icon and inside here tap on photo, and now choose any photo from your gallery to add it in your story. And just like that, you can adjust it however you want. You can even double tap onto it to change its shape. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.